So welcome back to my YouTube channel. Right here at the Subway ad. I just have ads whenever the mail came in. So the ad, one of them. It's foot long season, game day, and favorites any day. This is right here. This is the game day favorites right here. So yeah. Proud sponsor of National Football League. Don't ask why, I just know what it is. Stand for. Get any footlong for $5 at additional charge for extras. Yep. Then you have free footlong when you buy any footlong. Additional charges for extras. Buy free footlong when you buy any footlong meal. Additional free charges, or just make sure you use it before November 20th of 2020. So yeah. Of this one, they have a little sentence up here. It says, all snacks trademarks are owned by Pepsi Company, Inc. and affiliates Subway IP LLC 20 in English form. You know what I mean. In the back, they will have your coupon you can use, what you can get at Subway. There's the first one is get any footlong for $5.99. Get any 6-inch for $3.49. Get any 6 feet for $6.49. I mean 6 inches for $3.49. Whoops. If you come down the second row, there's a free sub sandwich. Sub when you can buy sub and a fountain drink like Sprite, Dr. Pepper, Coke, fruit punch, anything like that in a fountain drink. You get any sub when you buy any sub and a fountain drink, the same thing pretty much. Free footlong when you buy any footlong meal. Get any footlong meal for $7.99. Get any 6 inches meal for $5.99. You can come with chips, drink, and a sandwich. All the meal. Get any 6-inch meal for $5.99. You can come down here. This is the free bag of chips and 20-ounce fountain drink. You can buy any footlong. Free bag of chips and 20-ounce fountain drink when you buy any footlong. Here's inside part of it. Download Subway app on your phone. Apple or Android, Samsung, whatever you have, get it down. Go order contactless. Go order ahead in the app. Contactless payment. Easy pickup. See it. Go find contact pickup soon to a restaurant near you. Wherever you live at, go find Subway and download the app and get it before November 20th of 2020. This is what the ad looked like if you cut one of them up. You save them before November 20th of 2020. So, yeah, one of it. So, thank you, and eat Subway food if you want. And I'm signing out. Bye.